Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In front of me is a 2022 Isuzu MU-X and I'm going to be showing you where the information can be found on this car. So these labels actually show you the VIN number, the engine number, the colour code, the trim type, transmission type and so on and so forth. So there's multiple reasons why you may need these, especially the VIN number when you're ordering parts to make sure you get the correct ones for this model. So first off, we'll start over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle. We'll open up the door fully and then just down in the front here you'll actually find this sticker that says Isuzu, and then that long number there is actually your VIN number. Moving to the back of the door, this is our tyre place card, and this shows your tyre information as well as maximum pressure loads and that as well, and just some warnings. We'll then go underneath the bonnet by pulling this lever here, come around to the front of the car. Just above the Isuzu badge there's a lever that you're going to push to the left and you can lift up the bonnet, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, you can have a decent look around the engine bay. You'll actually see there's not too much to see until you get over to the right hand side. So we've got this badge here which has got our engine serial number, so that's your engine type, and then also our VIN number, which has just repeated what we've seen inside the car. But the best plate can actually be found next to the battery and next to the fuse box, and it's just down here. So this plate tells us our VIN number again, then it's got our model type, engine, grade, body type, transmission type, tyre, and then it's got our colour code and trim type there, and then these are all of the options for the car, and then right down the bottom is actually the build date. So this is the most important one and probably the most helpful. Well, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.